going on? Welcome to my channel, Be So Random. I'm Bianca. Nice to meet you. Today we're going to be doing a review. Okay, so I know you've all seen it up and down your timeline, and you've seen Miss Tabitha Brown eat it on her page, and so I decided to give it a try. It is the Deliciou plant-based chicken. I'm super excited to try this. I have not tried this yet. I ordered 2 of these, and I also ordered and used both of the plant-based seasonings. I ordered the bacon and I ordered the maple bacon flavor of the seasonings. So before we get started, I just want to talk a little bit about the shipping process. It was a little bit cray-cray. So as you can see here, I ordered the product the first time on June 28th, 2020. It got all the way to Los Angeles, and then the package just stopped. July 4th, I contacted the company, and they resent my item out on July 13th. So from July 13th till I received my package on Monday, July 27th, this thing went through a myriad of different places. Started off in Australia, and went to LA. From LA, and went to Daggett, California, then Winslow, Arizona, Clovis, New Mexico, Emporia, Kansas City, straight to Illinois, before getting to Mahnomedi, Minnesota, Osseo, Shakopee, and then St. Paul on July 29th, where I live. So I just want to give you all a proper heads up that shipping takes a second. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share so all of your friends can see my hard work. So let's begin. I've actually tried both of these numerous times. I love the way that they taste. Sometimes if I'm making like a burger, Impossible Burger, if I'm making a burger, then I will mix this with the mayo, so good, or sprinkle it on top of the avocado if I have avocado, or I sprinkle it on top of my french fries, because this stuff right here is super bomb. So shipping took a while. I did not enjoy that process. It takes like a month to get to you. Is this worth a month? We'll see if this is worth a month's wait. Okay, so let's open it up, because I've never actually opened it up before. So this is what it looks like. What it looks like, and let's see how you're supposed to make it. Combine contents with 240 milliliters of water and 20 grams of oil, and mix through. I don't know milliliters, so is that like 4 ounces of water? I'm gonna have to Google that. Okay, so mix with water, and then shape it into meatballs or stir-fried cubes or burger patties. I think I'm going to make it into a burger patty, because that's what I want to do. Alright, so we'll make it into a burger patty, and then add oil to the pan, fry on medium, and heat until golden brown. Okay. And oh, you can put them in nachos and tacos, and mix it with sauces. Sounds good, right? But we'll see what it actually tastes like. Is it a good substitute for chicken? Hopefully. We'll find out. 200 and what? 40 milliliters. So that's about a cup of water. So I just have like 200. Extra virgin olive oil. Bust this open. Okay. That and water. Might need a little bit more, a little dry. Okay, so far it is looking like tuna, like you have tuna fish. That's what it looks like. doesn't smell good. So I am going to, you gotta season your food. So a little bit of seasoning salt. And so I got a little garlic powder. I like garlic powder, so I'll put a little bit of that in there. Onion powder. And this vegan chickenless seasoning salt. Mix that on up. Now it smells good. All right, looks like it is all mixed up. That's what it looks like. And I'm gonna make my little burger patties. Let's get going on our Deliciou. I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know. But all right, so we got it all stirred up and ready to go. Lightly greased pan. A little dollop in there. It'll spread. Or I can just help it spread. Loves. It really just honestly smells like, kind of like tuna fish, like a tuna fish sandwich, but not as strong a tuna. Here we go, forming our little patties to make our little burgers, chicken patty burgers. Get it good, nice and flat. I mean, you can have it thicker if you want to, but that is not me. Here it is. So it's frying a little bit. Just got a piece of regular bread, and let's assemble our sandwich. Got a little vegan mayo. Vegan. I'm on my vegan journey, and I wouldn't say I'm fully vegan. I would say I'm vegan adjacent. So you should be too. No, actually you should not. I mean, if you want to try vegan, I suggest you try slowly like I did. Bit by bit. Incorporating vegan ingredients into your diet until you're fully immersed in this vegan journey like I am. Okay, and then I have the wonderful chicken patty sandwich so far. A little bit of mild salsa on there, and I got a little bit of onions because I like cooked onions, but I don't like a lot of cooked onions. Put that on there, and ketchup? No ketchup? It's a chicken sandwich. Why would I need ketchup? Here is my lovely sandwich. Not too many bells and whistles, just a plain old chicken sandwich. And now let's eat. It does taste comparable. Okay. Now, I did not forget. Let's add a little of this. A little bit of that. Let's do a little dab. Open that up. A little dab of that on there. A little bit more than a dab, but that's okay. It's my sandwich. That's pretty good. Like I feel like I didn't put enough seasoning in it. I need some more, maybe a little bit of seasoning salt. Not a lot, like a little bit of seasoning salt. And I need a side of fries. So let's talk about this delicious Deliciou plant-based chicken. Was it worth the wait? Yes, it is 75%. I'm not 100% worth the wait. 75% worth the wait. I mean, if you're looking for a good chicken alternative, for a chicken sandwich, for a chicken salad, for chicken tacos, yes. But I mean, there are other options. You have things like I don't know, jackfruit that you can try as a chicken substitute. That I use that all the time for actually a chicken substitute. These little seasonings are really good. They make your mayo taste like bacon, make your sandwich taste like bacon. I put them on my Beyond Meat sausages, sprinkle that on there when I'm frying them up. Really good. So I really do enjoy these, but would I don't know, I probably would, I don't know. I don't know if I would order them again. I'd have to see. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, please share, please subscribe to my channel if you want more vegan adjacent greatness. Until next time, bye.